Xinjiang. Even the name evokes a sense of mystery, a land shrouded in ancient tales and modern marvels. Located in the far west of China, this region is a place of superlatives, where the vastness of the land is matched only by the richness of its history and culture. It's China's largest province, covering 1/6 of the country's landmass, a sprawling expanse that stretches from the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the arid plains of the Gobi Desert. Xinjiang is a land of extremes, where towering mountains give way to vast deserts and lush oases provide respite from the arid plains. The contrasts are stark and stunning, creating a landscape that is as diverse as it is beautiful. For centuries, Xinjiang has been a crossroads of cultures, a melting pot where east meets west. This confluence of cultures has left an indelible mark on the region, evident in its architecture, cuisine, and traditions. The ancient Silk Road traversed its deserts and mountains, connecting east and west in a vibrant exchange of goods and ideas. Traders, explorers, and conquerors have all left their footprints here, adding layers of history to this already rich tapestry. Today, Xinjiang's diverse population reflects this rich history, with Uyghur, Han, Kazakh, Kyrgyz, and other ethnic groups calling this region home. Each group brings its own unique customs, languages, and traditions, contributing to the region's vibrant cultural mosaic. But beyond its cultural and historical significance, Xinjiang is a place of breathtaking natural beauty. The landscapes here are nothing short of spectacular, offering a visual feast that captivates the soul. From the snow-capped peaks of the Tian Mountains, which rise majestically against the sky, creating a stunning backdrop for the region, to the sapphire waters of Kanas Lake, a serene and tranquil oasis that reflects the surrounding mountains like a mirror, and the endless dunes of the Taklamakan Desert, a vast sea of sand that stretches as far as the eye can see. Xinjiang's natural wonders are truly awe-inspiring. Xinjiang offers a feast for the senses, with its dramatic landscapes, vibrant cultures, and rich history. Every corner of this region has a story to tell, a sight to behold, and an experience to offer. Join us as we journey through some of Xinjiang's most awe-inspiring landscapes, exploring the natural wonders that make this region so unique. From the rugged mountains to the tranquil lakes, from the bustling markets to the serene deserts, Xinjiang is a land of endless discovery and wonder. Dominating the skyline of Xinjiang are the Tian, or Heavenly Mountains. These majestic peaks, some soaring over 7,000 meters high, are a sight to behold. Their snow-capped summits pierce the sky, casting long shadows across the valleys below. The Tian are home to glaciers, alpine meadows, and crystal-clear lakes. Wildflowers carpet the slopes in a riot of color during the summer months. The air is thin and crisp at these altitudes, carrying the scent of pine and wild herbs. Nestled high in the Tian Mountains lies a lake of extraordinary beauty. Known as Tianqi, or Heavenly Lake, this alpine gem shimmers like a sapphire amidst the rugged peaks. Legend has it that the lake was once a bathing pool for the gods, and its beauty certainly seems fit for celestial beings. Surrounded by forests and snow-capped peaks, Heavenly Lake is a place of tranquility and awe. Take a boat ride across its pristine waters, hike along its scenic trails, or simply soak up the views from its shores. For adventurers and nature enthusiasts, the Tian Mountains offer endless opportunities for exploration. Trekking through these mountains is an experience unlike any other, taking you through pristine forests, across alpine meadows, and past rushing rivers. Encounter herds of grazing yaks, spot elusive snow leopards, or simply immerse yourself in the silence and solitude of the mountains. The Tian will challenge you, reward you, and leave you breathless with their raw beauty. Section 5. Kanas Lake, a jewel of the Altai. In the far north of Xinjiang, nestled amidst the Altai Mountains, lies another breathtaking lake. Kanas Lake, with its deep turquoise waters, is often called the jewel of the Altai. Its color is said to change with the light, shifting from deep blue to emerald green throughout the day. Surrounded by dense forests, Kanas Lake is a haven for wildlife. Observe rare birds soaring overhead, listen for the calls of unseen animals in the forest, or try to spot the legendary Kanas Lake monster, a creature said to inhabit its depths. Section 6. Colors of Canis shifting hues of paradise. One of the most captivating aspects of Canis Lake is its ever-changing color palette. This natural wonder, nestled in the Altai mountains of Xinjiang, China, is renowned for its breathtaking beauty and mystical allure. The lake's colors are not just a visual treat, but a phenomenon that has intrigued scientists and nature lovers alike. The lake's unique turquoise hue is due to the presence of glacial meltwater, which carries fine rock particles that reflect light in a specific way. These particles, known as rock flour, are ground down by the movement of glaciers and suspended in the water, giving it that distinctive, almost otherworldly color. As the sun moves across the sky, the lake's color transforms, shifting from deep blue to emerald green, turquoise, and even shades of gray. This dynamic interplay of light and water creates a mesmerizing spectacle that changes with the time of day and the seasons, making each visit to Canis Lake a unique experience. Autumn is an especially spectacular time to visit, as the surrounding forests erupt in a blaze of red, orange, and gold, creating a stunning contrast against the lake's azure waters. The vibrant foliage, mirrored in the lake's surface, adds an extra layer of magic to the already enchanting landscape. Visitors can enjoy the crisp autumn air while taking in the panoramic views, making it a perfect season for photography and nature walks. Section 7. The Legend of the Monster, Myths and Mysteries. Canis Lake is shrouded in mystery and legend. Local folklore speaks of a giant creature that inhabits its depths, known as the Canis Lake Monster. While its existence remains unconfirmed, tales of the monster have been passed down through generations, adding an air of intrigue to this already magical place. Whether or not you believe in the legend, the possibility of encountering something unknown adds an element of excitement to any visit to Canis Lake. Keep your eyes peeled as you explore its shores. You never know what you might see. Section 8. Enter the Taklamakan, a sea of sand. From the lush mountains and lakes of northern Xinjiang, we now journey south to a landscape of a very different kind, the Taklamakan Desert. Known as the Sea of Death in Uyghur, the Taklamakan is China's largest desert and one of the most forbidding environments on Earth. Its endless sand dunes, some towering over 300 meters high, stretch as far as the eye can see. The sun beats down relentlessly, and the air is dry and dusty. Yet even in this harsh environment, life finds a way. Section 9. Dunes of Time. Stories, whispered by the wind. The sand dunes of the Taklamakan Desert are constantly shifting, sculpted by the relentless desert winds. These dunes, some resembling frozen waves, others towering like giant pyramids, tell stories of time and change. Walk among these dunes, and you'll feel the immensity of the desert pressing in on all sides. The silence is broken only by the sound of the wind whistling through the dunes, whispering tales of ancient caravans and lost civilizations. Section 10. Oases of life where water is king. Amidst the harshness of the Taklamakan Desert, oases offer welcome respite. These islands of green, fed by underground rivers or springs, are a testament to the resilience of life. Date palms, poplars, and willows thrive in these oases, providing shade and sustenance to both humans and animals. Visit an oasis, and you'll be struck by the contrast between the lush vegetation and the surrounding desert. These oases are a reminder that even in the most extreme environments, life finds a way to flourish, especially where there is water. Section 11. Your Xinjiang adventure. Where will you go next? Xinjiang, a land of diverse and breathtaking landscapes, awaits your exploration. From the towering peaks of the Tian mountains, where the air is crisp and the views are endless, to the shimmering waters of Canis Lake, a serene oasis that reflects the sky like a mirror, and the endless dunes of the Taklamakan Desert, a vast sea of sand that stretches beyond the horizon. Xinjiang offers a tapestry of landscapes that will captivate your senses and ignite your imagination. The region is a mosaic of natural wonders, each more stunning than the last. Each region holds its own unique allure, from lush valleys to rugged mountains, each beckoning you to discover its beauty, beckoning you to explore its hidden corners and uncover its secrets. Imagine the thrill of finding a secluded spot that few have seen. So, which part of Xinjiang will you explore next? The possibilities are endless, and the adventure is yours to create. Will you trek through the heavenly mountains where every step brings a new vista, cruise across the jewel of the Altai, feeling the gentle sway of the boat as you glide over crystal-clear waters, or brave the challenges of the Sea of Death, where the desert tests your endurance and spirit? The choice is yours, and each path offers its own unique rewards. Whichever path you choose, Xinjiang promises an adventure unlike any other. The memories you make here will last a lifetime, and the stories you gather will be told for years to come. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking journeys through China's most spectacular landscapes. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of Xinjiang and beyond.